A little while ago, I took a fixture off the shop wall here, and I'm left now with a patch that is bare wood. Obviously doesn't match the surrounding finish here. So I want to recolor this so that it blends in. The only problem is, when I went out to pick up the stains, I couldn't find exactly the right color. So what I did is I picked out two. This one, it's primarily yellow, and this one, which is a lot more red. By intermixing these two, I should be able to come up with an exact match. Pigmented stains like these always need to be stirred thoroughly because the coloring agents tend to settle to the bottom. A baby syringe is the perfect tool for transferring small amounts to a mixing container. I add first one color and then the other until it looks about right. So I've got 2 parts of the more yellow stain and 1 part of the more red. Let's see how this looks here. Well, that's not bad. It's just a little bit too red. So all I'm going to do is go back over here, go to the more yellow stain, and put a little bit more of that in. Well, not bad, huh? So if you can't find just the right color stain on the shelf, don't worry about it. Buy some that are close and then mix them together. The possibilities are limitless.